What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to cover briefly how I made $500 profit today trading JDST. And this is another recap video to yesterday's video on talking about my position on JDST and Sunday's video when I called it out. I'm going to recap what I said in yesterday's video and Sunday's video, and I'm going to tell you guys how I approached this trade and where I took my profits. So JDST is a gold-based ETF that follows /GC, which is gold futures. It's a commodity, right? And whenever gold futures go down in price, JDST goes up in price. So what we noticed on Sunday's video, or actually on Monday in particular, and on yesterday's video, is that JDST was approaching this resistance right here of about $1,365, right? We see it topped off right here once, topped off here again. It got pretty close here again at about 1363, right? And then it got there again on Tuesday, I believe, at 1362. It topped off there, and then what I was watching very closely, actually, I think it was on Monday, actually, what I was watching very closely was that if it was going to be rejected by this 1362 resistance, and if it was going to continue to downtrend, or actually form a downtrend and top off at this particular price point, and that's actually exactly what ended up happening. So that's what gave me the green light to put money into JDST, right? And I covered that in yesterday's video. I got in at about $52 and about 50 cents per share for JDST. And once it bounced off this resistance and started to go down, that's when JDST became a good play. And I waited for it to confirm this, right? I waited for it to bounce off here, and I didn't get in until it broke this, this point of about 1350. So I waited for the actual confirmation of a downtrend, of a reversal, right? And that's when I got into JDST. So to come in here and show you where I got into JDST, like I said, I got in at $52.50, right around here, and I bought 110 shares of this particular ETF, and I made 8% on it up to a limit order of $56.85. You can see that right here. $56.85, about 8% profit. And you guys can check out my profits on my Instagram, actually, the link down below in the description, at Stas_surfs_entrepreneurship. I post my profits there every day on my story. So if you guys actually want to see this and follow along my journey in the stock market, make sure to give me a follow down below on that Instagram account. I really, really appreciate that. So I just wanted to cover this very, very quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like I always say, guys, it's all about following a couple stocks, a couple of ETFs, and just truly understanding the patterns of those couple of ETFs and stocks that you watch, guys. And it's all about studying them continuously and just, buying when the price is low, buying when you see the most potential in the particular stock or ETF you're watching. And that's how you're going to become the most consistent trader possible, in the stock market. And that's what the goal of my channel is, right? That's the goal that I have right now for myself. And I hope all the viewers out there watching this video have the same goal in mind. So make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Like I said before, guys, all my profits that I make in the stock market, I screenshot them and I post them on my story. So if you guys want to go follow me on that, make sure to go do that. Link below in the bio. Like I said, drop a like on this video, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's make some money today. Peace.